What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are going to check out this cleaning tool right here from Llano. Now Llano did send this out to me to do my unboxing and review of. Llano has been a loyal sponsor of this channel, so whenever they got a new product that's launched, they always set me to actually try out. And this is a camera cleaning kit right here, as you can see, and this is basically 7-in-1. So we have a lot of accessories which come inside. We got cleaning pen, ear blower, cleaning cloth, cleaning wipes, cleaning liquid, which is 60 ml, cotton swab, which is 8-piece, and a storage bag. So let us just do the unboxing, show you guys what's inside. So we have this blower right here. We have the lens cleaner. We got some cleaning wipes, and this one, this is wet wipes. We also have a dry wipes as well, and these are the 3 of the dry wipes, right? And we have cotton swab right here. We got a cleaning pen and carrying bag. So let's see what else. And actually a user manual that you can use if you guys don't know how to use these tools that actually comes inside. So guys, yes, these are all the items that we got right here inside the package. And I'm a person that like to clean my lenses, especially after shoot, my cameras and all my equipment. So this cleaning tool right here is not just limited to clean your camera. You can clean things like your screen from your laptop, your mobile phone, and your camera lenses and so forth. So this is also a multi-purpose thing that you can actually use, especially if you're a person that want to clean your equipment. All right guys, so here I have a lens right here which I'm going to clean for you guys and just show you how it actually works. So this is the 50mm right here which I'm going to clean. Now what this normally uses is that you always try to use your blower first, get rid of some of the dust and stuff like that that may be on your lens. I like to get a blower, and the same thing will apply if you're using your camera. Get rid of those excessive dust. So this is the cleaning pen, and this section right here you can pop this part out, and we have a brush that come inside, so we can use this to get off some little excessive dust and stuff like that off of your device. So what I also recommend though, once you're doing your blowing, you can use this to get off excessive dust and stuff like that. And also to this section right here, there's an next cleaning swab part right here, as you guys can see. So this actually can use to get in hard to reach region and stuff like that, to do some cleaning and stuff like that onto your lens. All right, so right there we have a cleaning wipes. And the thing about these, I think there's about 8 of these cleaning wipes are coming to it. So, and these are wet wipes, as you can see right here. So these are actually disposable. So once I use this piece right here, you have to actually throw it away. So it said it is alcohol free, but I can smell a bit amount of alcohol on it. So you have an alcohol smell. So I'm gonna clean my lens inside right here, and it works really good. I love how clean this actually looks. And as I said guys, this is not something that you're gonna use like every day. You're gonna clean your lens when actually necessary. Right, so I'm gonna clean off this part as well. And this one is the cleaning wipes, guys. Right. So as I said, these are disposable, and we have a cotton swab right here. And I think this is disposable as well. So let me just clean up this piece right here. And the cotton swab looks something like this. Now, this is actually used when you want to reach in odd region of your lens or your camera. Like for example, these little creases right here. We can actually use the cotton swab to get rid of dirt in this region that are hard to reach, and it's basically very good. And I can use it to actually clean out this part as well, this little crease right here, which works really fine. That's it. So this is actually a liquid that you can actually spray. So what I recommend though, you might not want to spray too much, so you might keep it away, far from away, just like that, just to get some moisture on it. And what you can do right now after you have done that, I would recommend using this microfiber cleaning cloth, and this is reusable. We got 3 of them that come inside. It looks something like this, and it's quite big, bigger than what I expect. Now we're gonna use this to actually dry off our lens. Right here, use it to clean our lenses as well. We can also use this blower as well, just to take out those excessive dust. Let's get it clean. And you guys can actually see how clean this lens actually get, especially the glass right there. So this is just a great accessories that you guys can use to clean your lens if you're on a budget. I'm gonna put links for this down in the description if you guys interested, in picking up one of these. And the thing I like about this as well, we have a carrying bag right here, just to get things organized. So when you're finished with all those accessories that come inside, we can actually put them in this bag right here, just to transport them around and stuff like that. And as I said, this is not everyday use for your camera. We only clean it with the material that is actually necessary. And what I also recommend, if you guys just want to do just a regular cleaning, everyday cleaning, you can just use the fiber cloth. You can just spray a little of your cleaning lens cleaner on you can just even put it on your, like this, and just give your lens a little wipe, and you're actually good to go. Keep them dust free, grease free, and all those things on your lens. So as I said earlier on, guys, I'm gonna put links for this down in the description, and if you guys interested in picking up one of these. And guys, remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. And as always, see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm out.